What's going on, everybody? I go by the name of Nate the Producer Beats. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making a Southside 808 Mafia type beat. If you're new here, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. So with that being said, let's get to work. This one, let's see what purity gives me. Let's go ahead and throw it in a mixer track. We're going to add some reverb to that. Alright, so we're gonna get back in here and draw in some more chords. So, we're just gonna play around with it, So next, we're gonna go ahead and add a strummer to this. So we'll go tools. We're gonna try to layer this up with something that's just nasty. I'm thinking some kind of bell. Alright, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just actually change this purity guitar. It's not really sitting right with me, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna paste it into the Omni, and then I'm gonna put the Omni on the first mixer track, and then I'm gonna grab a guitar from Omni. Let's go to classic nylon. Alright, so I want to go ahead and clone this. I want to get something a little bit more dark in here. Alright, I'm going to copy that and paste it in. Too low, so we're gonna go back in. We're gonna bring this octave up a little bit. Much better. Perfect. Let's go ahead and bring in those hi-hats. And I think I'm gonna go crazy with these hi-hats. I'm gonna go ahead and layer them up with a second hi-hat, add a chorus to it, and just go crazy with it. Let's go ahead and bring in the drums. That's exactly what I was looking for. So at this point, I think we're gonna go ahead and bring in the 808s. So this beat is sounding perfect right now, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this down, map it out. Let's see what it sounds like.